You might be about to make a multi-thousand-dollar mistake on your next HVAC replacement by choosing a big-name brand when a hidden value alternative offers the exact same build quality for less. Homeowners frequently overpay for a badge on a metal box while completely ignoring the internal components that actually keep their family comfortable. If you want to know which system genuinely delivers maximum reliability without the synthetic price inflation, you need to see how these two stack up. Hey, I'm HVAC Repair Guy. With over 17 years in the heating and air conditioning industry working as a service technician, equipment installer, and licensed contractor, combined with my background as a former Navy nuclear electrical operator, I look at this machinery from a perspective of strict technical evaluation, not marketing brochures. Today we are putting the Arcoaire HVA9 up against the Mainline MLA19AY. Both of these air conditioners sit in the ultimate tier of their respective lineups, presenting peak performance metrics, but their build strategies, regional availability profiles, and total installation costs differ significantly. Looking directly at performance data, the Arcoaire HVA9 operates at a highly efficient 19 SEER rating, deploying a true variable speed condenser fan and a variable speed compressor. This allows the system to modulate its capacity incrementally to match your home's exact cooling load, eliminating temperature swings and driving down electric bills. It features a compressor blanket to dampen sound, bringing its operating noise down to a remarkably quiet 55 decibels, and it is manufactured in the United States with full dealer installation required across the USA and Canada. The Mainline MLA19AY matches that performance curve intensely, matching the 19 CR efficiency rating and deploying the exact same variable speed compressor and variable speed condenser fan technology. It also includes a protective compressor blanket, resulting in a slightly lower sound profile of 54 decibels. This unit is built in the United States, requires professional dealer installation, and is distributed specifically within the United States market. When we look at the protection packages, both brands offer a strong baseline 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. However, the true divergence comes down to the unit replacement coverage. The Arcoaire HVA9 features a commanding 10-year unit replacement guarantee, meaning if your compressor fails within the first decade, Arcoaire replaces the entire outdoor condensing unit rather than just swapping out the broken component. Mainline does not offer a unit replacement guarantee in its standard terms, leaving you with standard component-level swap-outs. Manufacturer relationships are highly relevant here. Arcoaire is a subsidiary value brand under the International Comfort Products umbrella, which is owned by Carrier Corporation. This means the HVA9 shares engineering DNA, assembly line protocols, and global parts logistics with premium-tier equipment, providing great build consistency and straightforward parts availability through major regional distributors. For Mainline, the equipment is manufactured directly by Rheem Manufacturing. This gives the MLA19AY the exact same high-end engineering backbone and internal layout as a premium Rheem inverter system, meaning parts are highly standardized across their massive distributor network. Let's talk about real-world numbers, because the upfront investment looks very different for these two systems. A complete professional installation for the Arcoaire HVA9 Ultimate Variable Speed System sits in a premium bracket, typically ranging from $8,500 to $16,000, depending on your local market, layout complexities, and ductwork requirements. The Mainline MLA19AY, distributed primarily through major private label plumbing and heating supply houses like Hajaka, leverages Rheem's production scale to hit a lower tier, with average full installations coming in between $6,500 and $10,000. The final verdict goes to the Mainline MLA19AY, while the Arcoaire HVA9 offers that incredible 10-year unit replacement guarantee. The massive price gap makes Mainline the smarter purchase decision.